know the major problem of today's world is not any war, but your health. Most primarily, your mental health. And many of us struggling to choose good doctor to treat our mental illness. People don't know how to categorize doctors from whom they get their mental illness treatment. There are three categories from where people can seek treatment for their mental illness, and most of the people choosing the wrong doctor to treat their mental illness. When someone is suffering from OCD, they go to the neurologist. When someone is suffering from schizophrenia, they go to the psych. When someone suffering from brain stroke, go to the psychologist. This is the wrong pattern. People try to seek their treatment. They even don't know from whom doctor they have to get their best treatment. You don't go to the cobbler now if you are suffering from fever or something else, like you are suffering from hunger. You don't go to the shoe shop to buy your food. The best treatment you can get if you choose the best doctor. Neurologist treats the disease that is related to your neurons. Okay, that is totally dependent on your brain cells, veins, all the neurons that you have in your brain. All the behavioral problems are treated by psychologists. Like OCD, it is basically a behavior. Okay, then that is treated by psychologists. And if a people get insane or something, like they have suffering from schizophrenia, they go to the psychiatrist. This is the good pattern through which you can get your treatment if you are suffering from any mental illness. Mental illness is a rising topic of today's world. People don't give much attention to this, but I think, and most of us think, it is the major problem. Why not they give that much attention to that treatment? I don't know, but we have to give. If we want our body to be fit, we have to give attention to our mental illness as well. Because if your mind is not good, you are not able to do any type of work. It's not possible. So guys, please share this video to who are suffering from any kind of mental illness, so that they can get their treatment from the best doctor specialized in that criteria. Okay, thank you so much.